I'm Max. And I'm Jackson. And this is Man vs. Nature. Today, we're in the beautiful forest of Lake Tahoe. And we're going to be surviving here for 3 days. We're going to live off nothing but the land. All we brought is some rope and some wire. So hopefully with that, we can live out here. Okay, so we've been out here for about, I would say, 4 hours now. We've heard that in these dense forests there are bushes that contain materials that we might need for camping. Whoa! No way! Dude, bleach? Dude, oh yeah! Let's go! Now, we've only been out here for, I would say, almost a day now. And would you believe our luck? You see, in the wild, there's a lot of things you can use to survive. And right here, seeing this green, we found a cracker bush. They contain all the vitamins you could ever want from a bush. Oh, dude, we lucked out. This one has goldfish. All right, sweet man. Jackson, looks like we just got ourselves some dinner. As you see, we've started building a fire. It's getting kind of dark out now, so what you can see from the fire that we built is pine cones can really hold in heat to keep this fire going for a long time, as well as these pine needles are for starting it. We call this kindling. Enhance our fire because of the oxygen that's going to be going upwards for the fire and the oxygen that's the fire is able to get from all the sides of the pyramid. Now, Jackson, how are we gonna start the fire? We didn't bring matches. I don't know, man. Wait, I have an idea. Jackson, not now. No, not like that. We can use this to start a fire. Really? How? Yes. Watch. Gotta use the sun here. Dude, is the fire starting? You see that? Jackson! Dude, Jackson, you started a fire? Ladies and gentlemen, Jackson Carvajal. We've been out here for about a day now. I'm gonna start setting traps. This one's gonna be a simple snare trap. I'm gonna be tying this rope around this pine cone. Trust me, I'm the trap boy. I know what I'm doing. You find a branch? I'm liking that boy right there. You see that? And then all you need to do, is just get some rope. Ah! That a boy. I am totally good at this. This is gonna be our trap. All you need to do to tie a simple snare, just tie a knot around the thing and then you're good. All right, all traps have 3 components. This is the trap itself, the thing that does the trapping, that's the snare I built. A trigger, that's the thing you release. And then a mechanic, which is the thing that creates the force. So the force for this is going to be gravity. And all you need to do is just get something heavy, like this log. I'm probably going to add a little bit more. Then I'm going to hoist that up with the snare on the other end. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now here comes the hardest part of building a trap. All right? This is where the trigger is going to come in. I'm going to put something here as a trigger mechanism. And so once that rope gets pulled, bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself some food. So there's many ways to make a trigger mechanism. I'm gonna do it the easiest way because I don't know why you do it the hard way. So I'm just gonna get that in the ground. See how it's not that bad? So look at this. So you're just gonna have this right here. Oh wow, ooh. And so when the thing pulls, oh crap, that's really wants to go, huh? Okay. For a base concept, this is all you need. Okay. Now, what's a trap without bait? Right, fellas? So, animals will eat anything. And with that, I'm gonna get me and Jackson some dinner. I'm so hungry. We've been here for so long. I haven't found any food. Is that the trap? Did the trap go off? Max! Did you fall for my fish in a forest?
Man, they look delicious. One of the many skills you can use for getting food and surviving while you're in the wild if you're hungry is the art of fishing. Now see what you do here is you take your line, you tie it, and you have the hook off the end right here, and you just throw it, and then you wait. And when a fish nibbles on the thing, because of the bait, he'll get caught by the hook, and then you'll have a ready to go dinner. Whoa, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! I think I caught something. Whoa, here it comes, fellas. It's a big one. It's a big one. Ah, I think I got us some food. Whoa! Look at him. Good eating tonight, fellas. Jackson, what happened? Dude, I caught us some dinner. Oh, look at that.
We'll name him Kyler. Jackson, he's too small. We're gonna need to set him free. All right.
Well, Tyler,
You know what they say. If you're not gonna eat it, set it free, okay?
we support the nature and the wild, and we don't want things to just die just for no reason.
See you in the next clip.
Max, I think I caught something. Woohoo!
Jackson just did the favor of catching a meal. So with this rabbit, we're gonna be able to eat tonight. First thing you need to do once you capture an animal is you're gonna need to kill it humanely. Sorry, your time's up, big boy. Now since it's dead, it's time to skin it. All right, so first you're gonna cut out the base of its neck. Make sure not to pierce any of its organs and always cut away from yourself. So now, since we have the base of its neck cut open, what you're gonna wanna do is take its skin off. You do that by going under the skin and just cutting. And now separate the two by just pulling. And now, just take off its head. Now what you want to do is you want to remove the organs. Pretty gross, right? You gotta do what you gotta do. Now, what you want to make sure is not to pierce any of the organs. Don't want to taint your meat, huh? All right. And now with this, it's ready to cook. All right. So we're out here, and it's been a wait. What the hell is that thing? Go, go, Jackson, go, run! Yes, 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 yes! Oh my God, I think he's around this tree. All right, I think I'm ready. Over here, you sneaky monster! Jackson, now! Jackson, wrap him up! Jackson, wrap him up! We got him! We got him! All right. Now let's see who he really is. Barack Obama? No.
Yes, it's me, Obama.
But why did you do it?
Michelle, we needed some hot boys, and I had to deliver. And I would have gotten away with it too, if it were not for you, kids.
Future spans in front of me, across for brand
That's all, folks.